Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the quaint town of Cayley, Alberta, a small community located in the heart of the province's beautiful countryside. Cayley was established in the early 1900s and was named after Father John Cayley, a Catholic priest who served the area during its early years. The town grew as a result of the railway expansion, which brought new settlers and opportunities to the region. Today, Cayley maintains its small town charm and offers a peaceful rural lifestyle that attracts both residents and visitors. Cayley is situated in a region characterized by rolling prairies and fertile farmland. The area is part of the larger Alberta prairies, known for their vast open spaces and breathtaking sunsets. The nearby Rocky Mountains provide a stunning backdrop, adding to the town's picturesque setting. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Cayley offers a unique and charming experience that captures the essence of rural Alberta. Enjoy your visit to this delightful town and the warm hospitality of its residents. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Cayley, Alberta.